Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, today this is our English language online class, and you all know that yesterday we have started with our new chapter, that is lesson number 5, proper and common nouns. And today we are going to do our new exercise on the same topic. But before starting with the topic, I would like to give you a short recap of the same. Okay, so listen to my video very carefully children, and I hope you all have completed your yesterday's work in your notebooks. If you have not completed children, please complete it in your notebooks and get it corrected also. But complete your work very neatly and correctly. Okay, now starting with our exercise, I will give you a recap of the topic. So what is proper noun children? I explained you yesterday that the name given to a particular person, किसी भी person को एक particular नाम दिया जाए, किसी भी place को एक particular नाम दो, या किसी भी एनिमल को एक पर्टिकुलर नाम देंगे हम, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड अ प्रॉपर नाउन. द नेम गिवन टू अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल और थिंग इज कॉल्ड प्रॉपर नाउन. लाइक India is a country. There are many countries in India, but there are many countries in the world. But here we are talking about our country, India. So India is a proper noun. Is that clear children? There are many rivers in the world, but when we are talking about one particular river by taking its name, like the Ganga river, the Yamuna, okay, so these names are given to a particular name is given to the river, so the name will be your proper noun, like the Ganga, the Yamuna. These are all proper nouns. Okay, now when we are talking about a person, like Ram is playing football in the ground, so Ram is a boy, okay, but the boy is denoted by a particular name, and that name is Ram. So Ram is a proper noun. Is that clear children? And what are common nouns? Common nouns are the names of people, animals, places or things of the same kind. किसी भी एक kind के कोई भी लोग, animals, places या things का नाम होगा तो they are common nouns. Like when we are talking about a river, when we are talking about a place that like park, तो park बहुत तरह के park होते हैं, but if we are talking about a particular park like Subhash Park, so that Subhash Park will be your proper noun. But when we are only writing park, so it will be your common noun. Why? Because it is not denoted by any name, it is only written park. अगर अकेले पार्क लिखा है, so that will be your common noun. Is that clear children? So this is all in this topic. I hope you all have understood. Now starting with our exercise, that is C exercise. Okay, first of all you all will open to your new page and you will write the date, today's date, that is 14/8/2020. Then you will again write the heading in the first line, lesson 5, proper and common nouns. Then in the second line you will give the heading part C, underline common nouns and circle proper nouns. Is that clear? Now in this exercise what you have to do, that you have to underline the common nouns. जो भी sentences में common nouns होंगे उनको हमें underline करना है, like I have done in this exercise. Okay, and जो भी इस exercise में proper nouns होंगे उनको हमें circle करना है. Okay, don't forget that, don't get confused. It is a very easy exercise that you have to underline the common nouns. जो भी common nouns होंगे sentence में उनको आपको underline करना है, और जो भी proper nouns होंगे आपके sentence में उनको आपको circle करना है. Is that clear children? Now starting with the first sentence, The Ganga is a holy river. Now here we are talking about a river. So river is a common noun. So common noun में हमें क्या करना है? Underline. So we will underline the word river. ये common noun हो गया. But which river we are talking about? Starting में ही हमने river का नाम दिया the Ganga. So the Ganga will be your proper noun. So what we have to do for proper nouns? We have to circle the word. So the Ganga will be circled. Okay, you understood that? Now coming to the second sentence, Seema is a good girl. Seema अच्छी लड़की है. So Seema, here we have given a name to a girl. So the name is Seema. So Seema will be your proper noun. Okay. Then coming to the next word, that is girl. So girl is a common noun. The word girl is a common noun. Here we don't know about which girl we are talking. Here we are talking about Seema. So we have circled the word Seema because it is a proper noun. But the word girl is a common noun. So we have underlined it. Okay. Coming to the third sentence, Mala went to the park. माला पार्क में गई थी. So Mala is a particular name of a girl. So we will circle it because it is a proper noun. And then coming to the word park, it is a common noun because we have not mentioned the name of a park here. We have only written park. So we will underline the word park as common noun. Is that clear? Sentence 4, India is a beautiful country. Here we are talking about which country? India. Okay, so India will be circled as it is a proper noun. Here we are talking about only country we have written here. So here we will underline the word country as common noun. Is that clear? Last sentence, Nidhi obeys her teacher. Nidhi अपनी teacher को obey करती है. That means Nidhi is a particular name given for a girl. So we will circle the word Nidhi as it is a proper noun. Here we will underline the word teacher as common noun because the name of a teacher is not mentioned here. So there can be many teachers and we don't know which teacher we are talking about. So the teacher word will be underlined as common noun. Is that clear, children? I hope you all have understood this small exercise. It is a very easy topic, very easy exercise. I hope you all have understood and please complete it in your notebooks also. With this video, I am going to give you an assignment and in that assignment, you will be getting the same exercise to do in your notebooks. So please write it and complete it in your notebooks and start the revision of your chapters also. Okay. So till then children, bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.